Aboriginal TV, Channel 4. Putting Aboriginal news first.
The Top End is alive with movie excitement, with the stars of Australia's latest blockbuster movie, Top End Wedding, appearing on the red carpet for the premiere viewing at Gateway Shopping Centre's Event Cinema Complex, Palmerston.
I love the idea of this movie. I mean, we all love a wedding, but to highlight the top end and seeing what you can do up here, how fantastic.
It is the last premiere for our little tour, but it's the most special one. We've been looking forward to this the whole week. And eventually we're here, you know, so words cannot express, but, you know, it's good to bring it back to everyone that helped us to make the film.
I'm very keen to see the Top End Wedding. I think there should be more of it. I think the weddings in the Top End need to be a special feature with the sunsets and the natural environments that we have here. Can only be too good in the future.
How does it feel, Gwilym, for returning to the Northern Territory?
It's great. It's really great. I mean, like, for the brief period of time we were up here, I don't know, what was it, 2 months or something like that, this was our home, and it was our home because we were made to feel welcome by everybody here. And so coming here now, it feels like a homecoming. It's great. As soon as I got to the airport and felt the heat and, got talking to some of the locals here and reminded myself of their beautiful humour and their laid-back attitude, I was like, oh, okay, I'm back. And it's great. I love it here.
Really excited about this movie. I think it's a really amazing thing to showcase the Territory, full of Territory talent, and it's just wonderful that it's premiering here tonight. And I think everyone will get behind it, which is fabulous. So great love letter to the Territory.
I'm so incredibly proud. I mean, like, more than anything else, this is really special because we've got family in it. I've been speaking to everyone on the islands. They're really, really excited for it. And they're really proud of it too. So to be here to represent them is really important.
Was it just so amazing to see the whole Tiwi Island community come together to be involved in this project?
Oh, absolutely. And they were really excited to be able to share their culture with everyone, you know. It's something that's really important to them. It's important to me. And to be able to put it on the big screen is really, really special.
We're very excited, especially with Miranda's mum being a teacher at Darwin High School. We're so here to celebrate with her and the family.
This is something that, not just Larrakia, but all Territorians are really proud of. We're proud of our own. And the very fact that we have such a stunning star in Miranda Tapsell, and the family is so well known here in Darwin, of course, and Territory-wide. So for me personally, it's something that I'm very proud to be here, and very proud of Miranda's achievements as well.
I'm just so happy to have all my family invested in this tonight because it is about them.
What inspired you to write this?
Well, I wanted to show just how loving and caring that Aboriginal families are, the ones that I grew up with as well. I just also wanted a popcorn film with black girls being able to sit down in front of the TV with their best friends, eat pizza and wear face masks and love themselves sick.
Did it feel like work, or was it just a celebration with family? Because as we know, Wayne was in it, Shari, Elaine. Was it great to work with all of them again?
It was wonderful to work with Wayne and the cast. We had an incredible cast, and they are some of the most charismatic, empathetic humans I know. And the genre, the rom-com genre really relies on it. So I'm so glad that they brought so much of their hearts to the film.
This Top End Wedding, we know that it's a romantic comedy. It breaks the mould. Are we going to see more stories like this coming from Indigenous storytellers?
I think so. I think it's a really exciting time to be an Indigenous storyteller, but also exciting time to be an Australian and go, there's so many stories that we can be proud of as a country that we haven't seen yet. And every new Aboriginal story is covering new ground, is breaking new ground.
Top End Wedding features many local actors, some special scenes from the Tiwi Islands, and showcases some of the Northern Territory's magnificent scenery, and is predicted to be a huge box office success throughout the world.
Aboriginal TV, Channel 4. Putting Aboriginal news first.